Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon. हेलो बच्चों, आप लोगों से निवेदन है कि आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन दिए जा रहे हैं, इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें.
Hello students, it's part 15 and in this video class I will solve a question number 13 of the same chapter first, accounting for partnership firm fundamental. So before starting the question, first I am explaining the question. See the question. Question is A, B and C entered into partnership on 1st April 2010 with a capital of 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh. A, B and C, three partners are there and each are all partners bring a capital of 10 lakh, 8 lakh, 5 lakh for starting a time of business. On 1st July 2010, B advanced 2 lakh and on 1st December 2010, C advanced 1 lakh by way of loan to the firm. Students, is the newly point for this chapter, for this fill the question number 13. B and C are giving the loan to the firm. So the firm will be provided, the firm will be allowed to interest and loan to the partners. And continue, the profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2011 disclose a profit of 7,70,000. It means out of the profit loss account, the profit came out 7,70,000. But the partners could not agree upon the rate of interest on loan. It means till this the interest on loan to the partners is not to be allowed. The partners are not to be agree. And the profit sharing interest on loan and the profit sharing ratio. Prepare partners capital account and loan account. So students, there are two topics. Our main topic is here. First we will charge interest on loan and second, as per the question, we will prepare partners capital account and partners loan account. So first see the calculation of interest on loan account. Interest on loan. Interest and loan to the A. Calculation of interest and loan to A. First, for the calculation of interest and loan, A is not giving the loan to the firm. First calculation of B. B is given the firm to the loan to the firm. Amount is 2 lakh. 2 lakh. And B has given the loan on 1st July 2010. And accounts are closed on 31st March 2011. It means in the next year, the loan has to be taken by the B on 1st July to 31st March. Total months is 9. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. Total months is 9. Here we will charge 9 months. And students, in this question, interest and loan is not given. So as per on my previous videos, I have to be explained. If the interest and loan is not given, then we will charge a 6%. 6% of the loan amount. So either 9,000 to 1 and 9,000. Same thing for the C. Interest on loan to C. C is amount of loan amount is 1 lakh. See the time period on 1st December. The 1st December 2010 accounts are closed on 30th March 2011. December, January, February and March. Total months is 4 by 12 and percentage is 6 by 100, 2 and 2000. So total loan interest and loan is 11,000. And students, one more thing. In this question, profit is given and out of profit, till this, the interest and loan is not given out of profit. So first we will deduct the interest and loan out of the profit. So students, first we will deduct these 11,000 from the profit. Profit is given 7,70,000. For this deduction, you can deduct directly 7,70,000 minus 11,000, or you can deduct by the account of profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. It is a roughly calculation for the deduction the interest and loan. It is not a part of question, because the question is not to be asking for about the partner's profit and loss account. So profit is given by profit 7,70,000 to interest on loan to the partner of B and C. B is 9,000 and C is 2,000. Total is equal to 11,000. 7,70,000 and profit remain profit 7,70,000 deduct 11,000, 7,59,000 to profit. Profit will be distributed among all the partners. Total partners, 3 partners here. First is A and B and C. Students, in this question, profit sharing ratio is not given. So, as to be explained, when the profit is not given, that time you will distribute among the partner in the equal form. So, saying 1:1:1, 1 by third, 1 by third, and 1 by third. The profit will be distributed 7,50,000 among all the partners. So, 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, and 3 3 the 9. 2,53,000 to each partner. 2,53,000. Clear? Next, it is a working note. All the calculation is there on the working note, and main work is there for this side. You prepare a partner's capital account. Partner's capital account. Those are main point. Those are asking for the question. 3 partner, we will create a 3 column on the both the side. First debit side 3 column and credit side 3 column. Partners A, B and C. Partners A, B and C. And particulars. Partners capital account. In this account will posted only for the partners capital balance and profit by bank is given on the 1st April 2010. First balance of the cash is 10 lakh. Second of the cash balance is 8 lakh. And third cash balance is the partner are bringing the cash is 5 lakh. And by profit and loss, appropriation profit, each partner 2,53,000, 2,53,000 and 2,53,000. Loan amount never will posted in the partner's capital account. It will be posted to the partner's loan account, and total is 12,53,000, 10,53,000 and 7,53,000. Clear students? Here we will transfer the balance to balance CD 12,53,000, 10,53,000 and 7,53,000. Same balancing will be here. 2,53,000, 10,53,000 and 7,53,000. Partners capital amount is completed. Now we will prepare a partner's loan account. First, loan account for the B. B's loan account. Two sides is there. First debit and second credit. First column is date, particulars and amount. Date, particulars and amount. Same thing for the C. C loan account. Same column for the C loan account. Date, particular, amount. Date, particular and amount. Date, particulars and amount. Debit, date, particulars and amount. Debit. So students, in this question the partners are given the loan to the firm, then pass the entry interest on partner loan account debit. Interest on partner loan account debit, it will be a debit because the expenses for the firm, but not to be the partner's capital account. It will be transferred to partner's loan account. It's the apparent to partner loan account. For the both the partner pass the entry interest on partner loan account debit to partner loan account. The partner loan will be a increase. The partner loan will be the partner capital of the loan amount will be an increase. So if in the opening entry of the partner interest on loan, the closing entry is there profit and loss account debit to interest on loan. Here I am posting here profit loss account debit to interest on loan. So the same entry for the B and the same entry for the C. Loan amount was on there 9,000 for the B and 2,000 for the C. So first loan amount on the date was on there, or the date is on loan amount is given on 1st July. B advance amount of 2 lakh. 1st July 2010 by bank. By bank, loan amount is 2 lakh. On 31st March is a closing 2011. Partner's loan account is here. Partner loan account debit and a credit is by interest on loan. By interest on loan. Amount on 9,000. Total is 2 lakh 9,000. Then posting on a debit to balance carried on to balance CD 2 lakh 9,000. Date will be here 31st March 2011. 2 lakh 9,000. Same thing for the B loan, same thing for the C loan. C loan on the date of 1st December 2010 by bank. Amount of 1 lakh on the loan amount 1 lakh by interest on loan is in ending of the year 31st March 2011 by interest on loan amount on 2,000. Total is equal to 1 lakh 2,000. And same thing for the closing balance on 31st March 2011 to balance CD 1 lakh 2,000. 1 lakh 2,000. So friends, it was a completed question number 13 First, you will calculate the interest and loan amount. Second, you will provide to the partners or the interest and loan amount out of the profit. This calculation you can directly deduct from the profit, and you can prepare the profit loss account from the deduction the interest and loan amount out of the profit. So it is a working note and it is a fair note. Those are asking for the question. You will prepare interest on capital, and it is an entry for your help for the interest on partner loan account debit to partner loan. Here will not to be write a partners capital or to bank. Here will write the two partners loan. Two partners loan in the partner loan account. The interest and loan amount will be a transfer. So it is a partners loan account. Thank you, students.
Up. Do self study at home and stay home safely.